Good morning and welcome to another episode of Rattle Can Restoration. And today we are going to be putting in a new radiator, new water pump, new thermostat and thermostat housing. And now on some of the books that you'll read, it recommends that you take this whole fan shroud, upper and lower, off. And I'm going to tell you, you don't need to do that. All you needed to do is remove those 3 bolts on each side and 3 bolts on that side. Take this top cover off, radiator comes right out. To get the idler, that is an 18 millimeter. There's an 18 millimeter bolt on the other side, and down there you can see it, there's a bolt. Let's see if I can get you a closer look there. Right down there on that bracket. Right there. That is a 9/16. You're going to take that bolt out, and then you're going to release the tension on the tensioner. You're gonna take that center bolt out, which will then release. Let's see here, where's my flash mat? There it is, right there. It will release that bolt right there in the back of the tensioner. See if you can see that. There it is, right there. That bolt, and then you'll remove that bracket on the back of the water pump thermostat housing, and then the thermostat will come right out. So that's basically the tools that you're going to need. And then I'll bring it back once this is all out. Oh, you have to take that off too. Washer bottle comes out. That's really all you need to do. Anyway, I'll bring you back when got this all out.